What is a grace period? Have you ever missed a payment deadline and worried about losing your car insurance? If so, you might be curious about what a grace period is and how it can help you. A grace period is a specific time frame after your payment is due, allowing you to make that payment without losing your coverage immediately. This means that if you forget to pay your premium on time, your insurance company will not cancel your policy right away. Instead, you usually have a few days to catch up on your payment. When your car insurance payment is due, the grace period typically begins the day after the due date. During this time, your policy remains active, and you are still covered. However, if you do not make your payment within this grace period, your insurance company may cancel your policy or charge you a late fee. The length of the grace period can vary depending on your insurance provider and sometimes even state regulations. Grace periods can be especially useful if you forget to pay your bill or face a temporary financial challenge. They help you avoid a lapse in coverage, which is important because driving without insurance is illegal in most places and can lead to fines or other penalties. Additionally, a lapse in coverage can make it harder or more expensive to obtain insurance in the future. Grace periods also apply when it comes time to renew your car insurance policy. If your policy expires, many insurance companies provide a short window, often a few days to a month, during which you can renew without losing certain benefits, such as your no-claims bonus. However, keep in mind that during this grace period, your policy is technically expired, meaning you are not covered for any claims until you renew and pay your premium. Some insurance companies even offer a grace period for new vehicles. This means you might have a short time after purchasing a new car to add it to your policy before you need to show proof of insurance. Again, the length of this grace period can vary by insurer and sometimes by state law. It is essential to remember a few key points about grace periods. First, a grace period is not an extension of your coverage. It is simply a chance to pay and keep your policy active. During the grace period, your coverage may remain in place, but you must pay before it ends to avoid cancellation. Always check with your insurance provider to know the exact length of your grace period and any late fees that may apply. If your policy lapses, you could lose benefits or face higher rates when trying to get coverage again. Understanding grace periods can help you manage your car insurance responsibly and avoid unnecessary gaps in coverage. Always keep track of your payment deadlines and use the grace period wisely if you need extra time to pay.